Friends, welcome to our channel. I am Naigam here. After a thorough research from multiple sources, I have provided here the information about impacts of corona on job market and about salary hikes during this tough time. First of all, what are the high demanding jobs during this corona time since last year? Number one is healthcare and allied industries, which include medical and surgical hospitals, nursing care facilities, home health care facilities, and offices of physicians. Number two is information technology and knowledge services. Its main job profile is building communication networks, safeguarding data and information of a company. Number three is artificial intelligence specialist for BPO, business process outsourcing, and for IT service sectors. This artificial intelligence is developing gradually, providing more opportunities for improved automation in BPOs and IT service sectors. Artificial intelligence has both positive and negative impacts on jobs. Next high demand job is digital marketing lead. His role is very vast, but just in brief I am telling. The role of a digital marketing lead is to design, create and deliver marketing programs to support expansion and growth of the company services and its products. He should be proficient in graphics, web advertising, social media and web development. Fifth high demand job is customer relationship managers, CRM. Sixth one is sales administrators. Seventh one is UI, user interface designers. So these designers should have programming and coding skills. He has to design all the screens through which a user will move and to create the visual elements. Merchant relationship executive. This is more or less related to sales marketing job. Next is SQL analyst, that is structured query language analyst. He should have a bachelor's degree either in mathematics or statistics, business or any other related field. It is used to communicate with a database of any company. Next one is influencer marketer. Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing. And the last one is IT infrastructure engineer. He installs, configures and supports new and existing servers and a network infrastructure. He has to plan and implement upgrades needed to maintain service levels. Now we will see the jobs with good salary increments during this corona time. Number one is software test specialist. They have minimum bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering or similar field with work experience as a software test engineer. In-depth knowledge of program testing software and advanced knowledge of debugging codes, that is identifying and removing errors from computer software. Knowledge of software development languages is an additional qualification or preferred. Number two is trainers in banking, financial, insurance sectors. So these trainers impart training to trainees in bank operations, credit administration, treasury operations, accounting, internal audit, risk management, financial and insurance products. Number three is compliance officers of construction real estate companies. They are statutory compliance officers to ensure compliance with various government laws, especially various labor laws for construction workers and employees. Okay, now we will see the sectors, industries where employees, workers are getting either very less salary increment salary hike, 10% or less, or no increment at all. First one is fast moving consumer goods, which include products that are sold quickly and at a relatively low cost. Examples are non durable household goods such as packaged foods, beverages, toiletries, candies, cosmetics, etc. Number two is industrial manufacturing allied sectors, which include manufacturing, chemicals, textiles, vehicles, aluminum, copper, steel, etc. Number three is educational services, school, college, university teachers, professors, office, and support staff. Fourth one is construction and real estate, both admin, marketing, and support staff, and laborers working at construction sites. Number 5 is BPO and IT enabled services. Number 6, agriculture, which you know, and agrochemicals. Agrochemicals are those industries which manufacture chemicals used in agriculture, such as fertilizer or pesticide. Number 7 is media and entertainment, which include TV channels, news, movies, music, newspapers, magazines, books, etc. Number 8, travel, tourism, and hospitality. Due to lockdown, these industry sectors are most affected. Number 9 is telecommunication, like Airtel, Vodafone, Jio, etc. Number 10 is power and energy sectors, which generate power from conventional sources such as coal, lignite, natural gas, oil, hydro, and nuclear power, and non-conventional sources such as wind, solar, agricultural, and domestic waste. Number 11 is fast-moving consumer durable companies. Some examples which come under this category are Philips, Voltas, Whirlpool, Blue Star, Bajaj, etc. And the last one is e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Shop. Okay friends, hope you have got an idea about impacts of Corona in job market. Please share this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos on job, education, career in future also. Thanks for watching.